Have you ever been to a theme park or a huge mall and you don't know where to go or where to find your favorite spot? What do you look for to help you out? You look for the map that shows the little star of where you're at. Hi, I'm Jennifer Porco with Capstone Realty Group. When buyers are looking at homes for sale, a tool that is extremely helpful is a floor plan or a map of your home. In fact, in a recent article by Zillow, 70% of buyers say that 3D tours help them get a better feel for the space than static photos. And 62% of buyers wish that more homes had 3D tours. Think about it. Every family has different needs. If you have very young children, you might want their rooms closer to your own. If you have teenagers or young adults, you may want them as far away as possible. And with the rise of multi-generational housing, you may need a ground floor bedroom for an elder parent. By having a floor plan available for the buyer, you're not only helping them save time by not looking at something that doesn't suit their needs, you also aren't having to clean up the house, get the pets and kids out, make sure the house is in spotless condition, just to have your own time wasted by showing your home to someone when it just won't work for them. In fact, according to the article, 50% of buyers admit that they wasted time looking at properties that they probably would have skipped if they better understood the floor plan. When buyers have a clearer picture of what a home looks like, when they actually tour the home, it means that they are more likely interested in your particular home rather than just tire kicking. In the digital age, having a floor plan is a tool that can greatly decrease your inconvenience and increase your qualified buyers. According to the National Association of Realtors 2024 profile of home buyers and sellers, all buyers used the internet to search homes, and 69% of them used a mobile device such as a smartphone or a tablet. Having a tool like a 3D tour or floor plan is just one more way to make sure that you are marketing to the people that will most likely be interested in your home. When you are ready to put your home on the market for sale, make sure that you choose a professional realtor that offers the best tools to get your home seen by the right people. Give me a call and I will provide you with a complete marketing plan for your home that has all the bells and whistles. I'm Jennifer Porco and I have real solutions for real estate.